这里边都加什么水啊？这个。
矿泉水也行，自来水也行，反正是水就可以。
The vacuum pump. You need to put the water into the water tank. The water must higher than this valve. The water higher than this valve, and make sure like this.
就是水要是脏了之后，可以从这换。
Yeah.
这个是干啥的呢
And this is
这个
open.
是你夹到这个位置就可以了。
This is close.
这是一个上位，这是下位。
The open, then the water is circulating.
UVW
three lines, three cables.
接三根。
All are fire cables. Fire cables. All are fire cables. And you connect. One, two, three. Connect. These three cables are for vacuum pump. All are fire cables. When you connect the vacuum pump cables, this blue cable not used. These cables are for machine. The green, the red, and the yellow cables are all fire cable, and the blue cable is zero cable. And this is the machine control cabinet connection cables. The yellow, red, green are all fire cables. The blue one is zero cables, and connect like this in the control cabinet. Regarding the vacuum pump, how to connect it into the pump? Please check. The red, green, yellow all are fire cables. You may not need to identify which color cable to connect to which one. Any color is okay. Please notice the running direction of the vacuum pump. The fan of a vacuum pump running direction. This one is right direction. If it is in the another direction, it is wrong. You may change the cables. Change the cables connection. Change any two cables each other is okay. If the vacuum finds not running in right direction, you may change any two of each other. Is okay. This is for the dust collector system. And 3 fire cables and 1 zero cables. It is same to the vacuum pump. It is same to the machine. The dust collector system connects 4 cables. Only the vacuum pump connects 3 cables. Here we are showing